Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is intraday for the stock markets to see what happened on the indexes here. So we mentioned today in our live stream, if we take of course this high, it means of course a confirmation for higher prices. And here we go, we took the high and we see of course higher prices unfolding toward the upside. Now currently we are of course experimenting an impulse, and that means of course it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Therefore, yes, this area which is marked over there is very likely to be taken, of course, within this blue box here, which is between the 23k 644, 23k 693. And we might see, of course, it's not a confirmation for bullish, of course, here, because don't forget that this still might be a three ways toward the upside, which it can be, of course, finished as a three ways up and then three ways down, and then, of course, another three ways up as a W, X, and a Y. And it still can be finishing here something like A, B, and a C toward the downside regular flat. So you probably won't see, of course, really confirmation for higher prices rather than just taking this high. So if we take the high, again, this might be your confirmation. Of course, we're moving to the next target, probably still looking for this box over there for an extended wave 5, because we didn't took this box anyway. So it could be possibility there that we might still looking for it for higher prices as a wave 3, 4, and a 5. However, in this case, if we move here as an impulsive and we finish this as three ways, you would like to see a wave 4 and a 5 finishing over there. So this is what I'm expecting for Nasdaq currently. Let's watch and see what's going to happen, of course, in this area. If we move to the US 500 as well, it is the same. Of course, invalidation of bearish has been taken. So we took, of course, this zone 1, which is, of course, your impulse toward the downside here. Yeah, as you can see, 1, 2 here, taken as invalidation of bearish, and we see of course continuation toward the upside. The next zone is 6,400, and to be re-estimated, of course, if we take the high here, we want to see it decisively taking the high, of course, and continuation for higher. In that case, you might be in double 1, 2, by the way, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. The same for Nasdaq, by the way. We can also consider definitely this a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards higher prices, but we still of course have to pass as this testing area. We're not yet of course confirmed that we are bullish. We still have an area to be retested as W, X, and a Y, and dropping down again. So yeah, we have to be a little bit patient with it here in this area. The same as well. Now what we know, of course, that we are of course impulsive until this area, and then we take it from there. So that was it for US 500 and for the Nasdaq. Trade safe, of course, guys. No financial advice, but always, trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.